If you're seeing a Pixlr 502 bad gateway error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Pixlr loading again. This is usually caused by a temporary browser issue, a bad cache, a cookie problem, an extension conflict, or even outdated network data on your PC. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to force refresh Pixlr. This is the quickest thing to try because it bypasses your browser cache and forces the page to reload fresh from the server. If you're on Windows, click into the Pixlr tab and press Ctrl plus F5. If that doesn't work, try Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On some browsers, that hard refresh will clear out the old page data just enough to let Pixlr load properly again. After you do that, wait a moment and see if the error disappears. If Pixlr opens normally, then the issue was likely just a temporary cache problem. If the error is still there, the next step is to isolate the browser. Open Pixlr in an incognito or private window by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This is a very useful test because private mode usually disables most extensions and starts with a cleaner browsing session. If Pixlr works in incognito, that tells you the problem is probably coming from a browser extension, saved cookies, or local browser data. At that point, turn off anything that could interfere with the site, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions. After disabling them, reload Pixlr normally and check again. A lot of website loading errors are caused by extensions blocking important scripts or requests behind the scenes. Now let's clear Pixlr cookies and cache directly. This is a more targeted fix that can solve bad gateway issues caused by corrupted site data. To do this, click the padlock icon next to the Pixlr website address in your browser. Then choose Site Settings, or in some browsers you may see Cookies and Site Data. From there, click Clear Data or Remove. This deletes the stored data connected to Pixlr, which can remove broken sessions, stale cookies, or bad cached information that may be causing the problem. Once that's done, close the browser completely and restart it before opening Pixlr again. This step is important because a full restart helps the browser rebuild a clean connection to the site. If Pixlr still isn't loading, the last step is to flush your PC's network DNS. Sometimes the issue isn't your browser at all, it's outdated network routing information stored on your computer. To do this on Windows, right-click the Start menu and open Terminal or Command Prompt. In the window that appears, type ipconfig/flushdens and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. What this does is remove old server lookup data so your computer can request fresh routing information the next time it tries to reach Pixlr. After that, reopen your browser and try loading the site again. In most cases, one of these 4 steps will solve the Pixlr 502 bad gateway error. Start with the hard refresh, then test incognito mode, then clear the site data, and finally flush your DNS if needed. That order gives you the fastest path to finding the cause without wasting time. If the site is still down after all of that, the issue may be on Pixlr's side, and you may just need to wait a little while and try again later. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.